It's all on camera, so she did start running, so we put her in handcuffs.
All right.
Why am I getting arrested?
All right.
You're being arrested because you lied about your age.
We're taking care of this. If y'all just back up and let us get what we're doing, we will come talk to y'all. Go. Okay, back up. We don't need any help. We got this.
The officers asked her to show her ID, but she refused to cooperate and kept avoiding the question. She claimed that she was 21 years old, but when the officers verified her information, they discovered she was only 18. The officers noticed that she was clearly intoxicated, walking unsteadily, and speaking incoherently.
And you're 22. Okay, and what's your name? Olivia what? Olivia what? All right, he's got to check all of this. So, like we said...
What's your first name?
That's another crime.
Uh-huh. What's your birthday again?
January 27th, 2000.
Where's your ID out of?
Georgia.
Okay. Well, all right. We'll try one more time.
You're lying about your birthday or your name or something. That's first and foremost. So we're going to add that charge to the charge of alcohol on the beach.
Let me try one more time, just to make sure.
Okay, just make sure.
What's your first name again? Okay, spell it for me.
Olivia.
Okay. What's your birthday again? January 27th? What year? And you said your driver's license is in Georgia, correct?
No, get back here. You don't get to go over there. You're being detained at this point in time.
I wasn't going over there.
You weren't going over there?
All right. Come on, put your hands behind your back for me. Stop moving your hands.
Relax, honey. I'm just trying to go. You're going to go. Just trying to go away. Get away.
Just walk away from me, okay? We'll just talk to her. Okay.
Go away.
Let me get this.
Yeah, she started running.
I did not start running. I did not start running. I did not start running.
Ma'am, get away.
Who are you here? I'm trying to figure out. We will figure out. I did not start running. I did not start running.
It's all on camera, so she did start running, so we put her in handcuffs.
All right.
Why am I getting arrested?
All right.
You're being arrested because you lied about your age.
We don't know. We can't figure out who you are. You lied about your age. You lied about who you were. We've asked you time and time again. Not only that, but you're drunk. You're drunk in public.
I'm not
You
drunk.
have alcohol on the beach.
I do not have alcohol on the beach.
Once we can figure out who you are,
You're leaning on me.
you can't even stand up straight.
I can
need you to
stand
go.
up straight. I can stand up straight.
Okay, it doesn't matter. You're under arrest at this point in time. All right, we're going to start with resisting without
I'm not
violence.
resisting.
I'll talk to you on
I'm
just
not
1 second. Give me 1
We're
second.
first going to start with resisting without violence. Alcohol
Who are
on
y'all
the
to her?
beach.
I don't have alcohol on the
Okay.
beach.
Just hold on 1 second. I'll explain
Public
things to you.
intoxication.
I'm not public intoxicated.
We'll explain it to you. Hold
You're
on.
not public intoxicated?
No, I'm not.
So you haven't been drinking?
No.
I'm not asking that. All right. Let me call a cage car because we got to figure out who she is.
Yeah.
So are you ready to tell us who you are?
Hold on.
I am Olivia.
I'm gonna explain it to you. Chill.
And keep going.
What do you want?
When an officer approached to handcuff her, she resisted fiercely, screamed, and tried to run away for a few seconds. The police quickly chased after her, restrained her, and placed her in handcuffs. She kept resisting, yelling, and insulting the officers with vulgar language.
What's your birthday?
01-2000. 01-27-2000.
I wasn't gonna. Is your ID out of Georgia?
Yes.
Give me just
You want to run her to the dispatch, maybe?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just trying to ask questions.
Hold.
So, you are 18, honey, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just want to know from here. We're not the people she's staying with, but
No,
we're friends
listen.
with the people
Y'all
she's
step
What
over
we're
there.
going to do,
I'll
you're going to
explain
back
it.
up
I'll
off our
explain
scene, okay? We're taking care of this. If y'all just back up and let us get what we're doing, we will come talk to y'all. Go. Okay, back up. We don't need any help. We got this.
Hey, look. You gotta calm down, but you gotta tell us the truth, okay?
Everyone's screaming at me.
Look, we're not trying to scream at you. You gotta tell us the truth. Is your birthday in 2000? Are you 22?
No.
You're not. How old are you?
18.
Okay. She told me she's 18.
Damn.
Okay. So listen.
So, no, she's going
I know,
across.
I know.
She's going across.
If you would have just told us that in the first place, you wouldn't be in handcuffs and you'd be able to go with a parent, okay? but you lied to us. You can't lie to the cops, okay?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Look, it's an extra charge on top of what you got. And you can't run from the cops. You know that, right?
I know.
All right. Resisting without.
Drinking under the age, possession of alcohol underage, touch alcohol on the beach.
I'm not
There you
drunk.
go.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
Like 1 drink.
Okay.
What do I do about my parents?
We'll deal
help
with
you get
that in a
contact
minute.
with your parents.
We'll deal
My
with that in a
parents
minute.
are in Florida.
Watch
Well-
out, you're spilling stuff.
All right. We'll deal with that in a second. We'll deal with that in a second.
I don't care about you.
Okay, listen.
What do I do about my parents?
We'll get you in contact with
All
your
right.
parents.
Go and start walking.
All right, we're gonna walk this way, okay? Let's exit. Okay.
This is dumb.
Walk that way for me, okay?
I can fucking walk.
Okay. If you just would have told us the truth in the beginning, you wouldn't be in this situation.
I'm 18. Can you not let me go?
No, walk this way. Hey, calm down, okay?
I can't.
I know it's a bad situation, but if you just would have told us the correct age in the first place, you'd be okay. I know you're a little
No,
drunk,
I
but
wouldn't. No,
yes, you
I
would.
wouldn't.
We would have let you go. You wouldn't be
No,
going to
you
jail right
wouldn't
now.
have.
We would have.
No, you wouldn't have.
Promise you we would have. You would have been walking home free right now if you wouldn't have lied to us.
It wasn't a run.
And then run.
I did not run. I promise I did not run.
Okay. Just walk up the stairs for me.
I'm not planning on running. I don't know why you're grabbing me.
Oh, I have to chase you yet again, and you can get an extra charge.
Shut the f up.
All right. Right here.
Watch out.
I don't know my friend's numbers.
Okay, look, calm down. Okay? Hey. Calm
I
down.
don't know my friend's numbers.
Okay.
After being placed in the patrol car, she continued kicking the window, slamming her feet against the seat, and cursing at the officers. One scene shows her shouting insults, crying, then laughing, displaying clear signs of losing control due to intoxication. The officers remained calm, repeatedly telling her to calm down and stay seated.
She was drinking at first, and she was like stumbling across the beach. She was drinking. I approached her, asked her how old she was. She told us several times that she gave us a birthday that was not her birthday. We still haven't properly identified her, but she finally admitted that she was 18. But she said several times. Put her in the back.
All right, have a seat back there for me. Those are my cuffs on her, Harmon, whenever you get a chance.
Go and go. We will talk to you in a minute.
I'll talk.
Can she stay here? Because her parents are about to come talk to you.
She's going across. So, what are y'all to her?
We're her friends.
She's staying with. Okay. Y'all have phones, right? Obviously.
Yes.
Y'all want to write down whoever's number on this pad. Is that her phone?
Let me write mine.
Is the red one her phone?
Yes.
I'll give it to her.
Here, let me write
She can
mine.
take it with her to the jail. That way she can get numbers out and stuff.
Yeah,
and then she
like
can
I
call from there. But I'll also give her that just because she's intoxicated.
Hey,
So it might be a little difficult for her.
Could I ask what her charges are?
Yeah, let me go get this to her real quick and I'll come right back.
Okay.
Alright, so explain what happened, okay? Obviously she had alcohol on her. Officer caught with alcohol. Alcohol is not allowed on the beach in the month of March. It's the last day, but it still counts as the month of March.
Yes, sir.
Obviously she's intoxicated. We kept asking her birthday. She lied to us about it multiple times.
Yes, sir.
And you can't lie to the cops about your birthday.
Yes, sir.
Then whenever I went to go place her in handcuffs,
She tried to run.
she tried to run. She took off a little bit. She ran. We got her. Whatever. I felt bad that she had to eat the sand a little bit. That's
It's okay.
it's just the only thing we could do.
But it's
Yeah.
her fault. It's okay.
she'll Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Did y'all write all the paperwork?
Yeah, it's right here.
That's
no,
not-
that's not it.
There it is. Who is the other people that are down there? Is that them right there coming up?
That's my mom and my dad. She's staying with me. And those are my parents right there.
Okay, I'll talk to them as well so they know everything from my side just in case things get lost in
Yes, sir.
communication. I'll come up there and talk to them in a second.
Yes, sir.
Here's some numbers for her.
Hi.
Hey, so let's get out of the road because he just got on to me for being in the road.
Is there any way not to take her to jail and just give her tickets? And
No, she has to go across because she lied to us and then tried to run from us.
I understand that.
We brought her up to the car. If she just would have told us her right birthday, she would have been walking free right now. There would have been no charges because we have underage drinking on the beach all the time. She lied to us about her age. She kept telling us 2,000. We tried to put her in handcuffs and she ran. We caught her. I grabbed her arm as soon as she took off. That's why she went on the ground. Like I said, she wouldn't have been lying to us. She wouldn't have gone to jail, but she's going to go to jail across for the charges. She's going to go
What would the charges be?
resisting without violence, possession of alcohol on the beach, possession of alcohol by a minor. There's three misdemeanors.
alcohol on her?
Yes, those 2 Pineapple Willie cups.
So there was alcohol in them?
Yes.
You tested them?
We didn't test them, but you can smell alcohol.
Did you test the alcohol?
No, we can't test alcohol.
Okay, so that charge should be dropped?
It's not going to be. But okay, it's not going to be dropped. She's going to be charged with that. She'll go to First Prince 2:30 in the afternoon.
So if she hadn't ran, she would be okay?
No, if she hadn't lied about her age,
She
she
hadn't lied
would
about
have been
her
okay.
You don't run from the police.
You don't run about and you don't lie.
So what warranted her? So
Yeah, what did she do?
Your female officer, right? She came over and was standing by us and stuff, and I saw her watching like a group of people. What warranted her being the one that she picked out of the group?
Her friends tried to convince the police to let her go with just a ticket, but the officers explained that she wouldn't have been arrested if she had told the truth. Her friends gave it their best shot, but let's face it, she was her own worst enemy.
Hey Bennett, question. I don't know if you want to explain it, but what made, they want to know what you noticed whenever you're down there.
Absolutely. Stumbling everywhere. She couldn't even walk straight, first and foremost. Technically, I don't have to tell y'all anything because she is 18 years old. So I am not required to say anything to y'all. Y'all are not parents. She's an legal adult. That's first and foremost.
But this is
So
like
me and
one of our
Jen,
kids.
what?
Can you
Excuse me.
please explain?
Excuse me.
Right.
Go ahead, ma'am.
So first and foremost, whenever someone who appears to be under the age of 21, or anybody, doesn't even have to be under the age of 21, stumbling across the beach, could barely hold themselves up, that is public intoxication. So that's my first and foremost thing. She had two cups in her hands. Her friend is pushing her away and trying to get the cups out of her hands. So when I approached her and asked her to walk this way, fair enough. She could barely walk she was stumbling, walking back to our four-wheeler. She's slurring her speech. She's not telling us the truth. Right now, just so you know, so we're very clear about everything. I can make an arrest for disorderly. That's what she was doing. I can make an arrest for anybody under the age of 21 drinking. That is my job.
Yes,
We're
I get it.
not questioning. I just wanted to know what, like, out of the group of everybody was around, what flags you.
Why are they drinking to begin with?
I'm not disagreeing. My kid's not drinking. I understand it. She's just a part of the friend
Okay,
group. Her parents aren't here. I'm just trying to make sure she's going to be okay tomorrow.
Okay.
We can get her out. That's all I'm saying.
All she had to do, follow instructions. Easy as that.
Okay, I'm not disputing that with you. I totally agree with you.
So what are her official charges?
Her physical charges are going to be disorderly, resisting without alcohol on the beach, and then possession of alcohol under the age of 21. No, not at this point in time.
When do I?
After you get booked into jail.
So f***ing take me, bitch! Take me!
That's not how this works.
Take me, bitch! You have no one else in your car.
If you do that, I'm gonna tie your feet up. You will not like that. You're not going to kick our windows. Okay, it does not matter. I'm telling you right now, you kick the windows again and your feet will be tied down.
Please let me talk to my dad.
Do you hear me? If you kick the window again, you will be tied down.
Let me talk to my dad.
No, I won't. That's not how this works. Because I said no.
I don't give a what you said.
You're not making a phone call right now. I am doing paperwork. And the longer that you sit there and do the things that you're doing, it's causing me to stop doing what I'm doing.
Slow. Don't blame it on
Yes, I'm very slow. You're right. I'm slow. You're right.
slow, bitch. Take me to jail or something. Take me to jail if you're taking me somewhere. I don't give a what you type. You can type it when you get there. J-A-I-L. Can you spell? I was not holding 2 plastic cups, you dumbass bitch. You liar! Because I was not holding shit when you got there. I didn't have slurred speech. I didn't have shit.
She got aggressive, kicked the car windows, and demanded to call her dad, but the officers had to restrain her. This situation is truly depressing, but the police also had to teach her a lesson so she wouldn't repeat the mistake. Sometimes tough experiences shape us into better people. Mistakes have the power to transform us.
That's not how this works. All right, you want to go and put your cuffs on?
Yep.
Do I not have any right?
All right. Let's take mine off of her.
Yeah, you bitch. You lied about basically everything.
Move your thumb so I can. There you go.
They're open, bitch. They're open. I'm about to comply to some dumbass cop who doesn't know what the f they're talking to. Go ahead. Go ahead, bitch.
Stop.
I'm stopping. I'm going to where you want me to.
Yeah, well, I didn't tell you to move, did I?
You still acting up, man. God damn.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man.
I haven't done shit.
You adding to it. What are you doing?
Oh. Thanks. Are you good?
Yeah.
You.
Hey,
By the
stop.
way.
What?
I hope you f***ing die.
Oh.
All right. Do you want another charge?
No.
Then stop.
What'd she say? Did she say she hopes
Yep.
I die?
Yep.
I did not say that.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it's on body camera, so.
F***ing charge me. I don't give a f***.
Be an adult. So. You can add that to her no sheet. What's your question?
Can I go to jail now?
When the car starts moving, then you'll be going to jail. But the car's not moving right now, so not yet.
I've been in the f***ing car for a damn hour.
No, only 30 minutes. Only 30 minutes.
No, it's been way fucking longer than 30 minutes. You can take me now. Let me f***ing talk to my family.
You're 18 years old. You're responsible for the actions that you make.
Yeah, so I'm responsible for talking to my family, right?
When you get to the Bay County Jail.
So f***ing take me, bitch.
Yep.
F***ing take me then.
Oh.
I don't want her to damage your car or
No,
choke her.
I don't either. Go.
Go on. Put your feet up. Put your feet up.
My feet are up.
Come around here.
What do you want? Why are you laying me down like I'm not resistant? I am fine.
See, so you're not going to kick our windows. That's a no-no.
I never kicked your windows.
But you're kicking.
I never f***ing kicked. Please take me to f***ing jail.
Move back.
I'll do whatever you need.
Move back.
Okay,
Okay, there you go.
Kicked.
All right, come around here.
I
Come around.
never kicked. I never kicked,
Please.
by the way.
There you go.
If you need me, my hands. Go ahead. Go ahead. Because I never f***ing kicked, and this will get sued against you.
I'll get sued. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Anything I can do to help.
You're welcome. That f***ing hurts, and I didn't do shit.
The fact that she could hear you kicking from out there tells us everything.
Oh, the fact that I never...
Kick your feet this way. Kick your feet this way.
You got him.
Huh?
You got him. When is it my turn to get booked?
When they have the guys that are already arrested in there from Panama City booked in. I can't have a female in there with a male, okay? So you're going to have to wait. Golly. What is your problem?
What?
I can hear you screaming.
What? You can?
Yeah, I can.
No way.
Cut it out.
The young woman was taken to the police station and faced multiple charges. Resisting an officer, possession of alcohol by a minor public intoxication, and violating the ban on drinking alcohol on the beach. The officers later shared that if she had been honest and cooperative from the start, the situation might have ended with just a warning or a minor citation. But because of one lie and her defiant attitude, she ended up creating much more serious trouble for herself. This story serves as a reminder to all of us that honesty and calmness are always the best choices in any situation. A single impulsive moment can cost you your entire future. If you found this story meaningful, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more real and educational videos like this one.